Hi, and welcome to CMIT North High School's Back to School Night. We're so excited to be working with you this school year, and we can't wait to see what we have in store for us. I'm Cassandra Andrew. I'm one of the program coordinators here at the high school, and I just want to quickly run you through some information so that you feel prepared for Back to School Night. First, we're going to look at our organizational chart. So what you can see is that our principal, Ms. Ozturk, is the top of our organizational chart. And if we go all the way to the bottom of that organizational chart, that's where we start with our teachers and student support. So as you have any questions or concerns, you can work your way up the organizational chart to help get you the answers that you may have. So if you have a question about something that's going on in the classroom, please make sure you reach out to your teacher. And then if it needs to, you can continue with their department chair and then work with their assistant principal. If you have any questions about any of our counseling services, that's where our school counselors come in. We have 3 different program coordinators, and we handle all different aspects. So Mr. Byram is our STEM coordinator, Dr. Gaskins is our culture coordinator, and myself is the testing and scheduling coordinator. If you have any questions or concerns, again, just work your way up this organizational chart and we'd be happy to help you. For tonight, we have all of our classes are on Zoom, so you can meet with all of your students' teachers through Zoom. So as you run through the schedule, you can just access the links for that specific teacher. You can go into SchoolMax to see your child's schedule so you can follow along with their schedule and go to the correct classes at that time. During your student's lunch, you can visit your admin or student counselors during that lunch period. So our lunch periods are 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th, depending on what is in your student's schedule. Again, we are so excited for this school year. We're happy to be back with the students, and we're happy that we are trying to stay safe, and we can't wait to see what this school year has in store. Have a wonderful back to school night.